Just got a Rokit 8 speaker that apparently is not working or has some issues. We're about to find out right now. So let's tear this apart. So we're gonna start by checking out the back. Let's shake it. Okay, making sure there was nothing loose on the inside. So we're gonna apply some power right now and see if it turns on. So got my power. Doesn't matter. Okay, 120 volts, that's good. Okay, let's turn on. And let's inspect the front. I did hear a little noise. Yep, I heard some noise and we got power, as you can see. So now, let's put some music. And also, I'm gonna plug this in. Okay, here we go. Let's see. So I think that's what the issue is. It sounds a little bit muffled, but also I hear hum. Yep. Yes, I hear a lot of hum. So I think that's what the issue is, the hum. We're gonna open it up and see if we can take care of it. Definitely the hum. Okay, let's start taking it apart. So we want to look at this side. And let's get a flashlight. Yep, I already see issues, which is the notorious rust. Yep, look at this capacitor. Ooh, actually not the capacitor, the resistor right here. Look at all that rust. You see a lot of rust right there. Rust, all rust. Man. Oh yeah. So many areas. I see rust and dirt and other crap. Yep. You can see right on this wire right there. That doesn't look good either. These capacitors look good. Little, yeah, this one's definitely shaky. So yeah, we need to take that board out and do some repairs. But yeah, that's definitely needs some repair. Okay, so we've unplugged this from the inside, and also we unplugged this from the speaker. So these two have been unplugged, and now we're gonna separate this board. We'll take out these backwards here. That to the side as well. So that gives us that. And now we have this cable. And we're gonna have to cut that right there. So okay, so that board is freed. Now we're gonna inspect this one, see if there's any issues. So this is your level adjustment, volume adjustment. I do see some little corrosion, nothing major. The top of these capacitors don't look so happy. Like I said, nothing major, but I'm definitely gonna clean it up. Yep, the rest looks good, but looking at my microscope, you could see how bad that resistor and the wire right next to it. I mean, look at that. Horrible. I mean, we're gonna be taking care of that right now. So yeah, that resistor definitely burned up. Look at that. I already got some pieces out of it, but you can see it got burned up a little. I don't know the exact values because it's all messed up, but I've done one of these in the past, so I do have that information. Right there says R100. But yeah, this wire also needs to be desoldered and resoldered, but we're gonna start by removing this resistor out right now. Okay, so I got what I need right here, and we're gonna go ahead and install it. I've been scraping away, whew, working on that area right there. So much crap. Like, so this coat or this glue or whatever they use, it causes a lot of components to get rusted. Really, really bad design. I don't think they thought about it, you know, as they did it. But creates humidity, and the humidity starts rusting. So a lot of these components start going bad. I'm gonna clean them all up and decide which ones need to be replaced. Done cleaning up. My God, you can see some of the areas back there, really nasty. So I'm done with the cleanup process. If we're still having issues, I'm going to look at some of the components that I feel are okay but could be replaced. So we'll do a test first. Okay, same with this board. I just did some cleanup up here. Wasn't so bad, but you could see there was some corrosion. So I cleaned all that up, and that's not bad. It's good to go. Okay, we got everything back together. Everything is plugged. Let's get this final plug in. Yep, everything else is good. We are ready for a test. And okay, let's look at the front and turn it on. Got the light, and man, no hum at all. None. Which makes me very, very happy. Now let's test the song. Ooh, very loud. Guys, that was it. We are all set. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video, but another successful repair. Now I have 3 of these. Got one more over there. So this one is gonna be getting sold, just because I don't need 3, you know what I mean? But yes, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.